So if you guys want a full overhead view, there is on Knott a live feed 24/7. That's the camera right there. Looks like nothing over here yet where the queue line will be, so that's expected. So Coast Rider's down now, so we can't ride that. Evan's happy about that, I'm sure, but I'm not, because I can't get a good view from up top. But I will insert some pictures from the website that they have from today for the 24-hour live stream on their website. It has also been recently announced that it won't be opening till about May now. So, and this may be delayed till June, we're not sure though. So they're thinking May 2018.